Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi amma ba'du. Okay, everyone, in this occasion, I want to make a website or PHP create, rate, update, and delete with PHP. And for the CSS, I want to use template from admin LTE. So before we start, make sure you start the Apache and also MySQL. Make sure there is no error, and then we move to the browser. And okay, this is the admin LTE. If you don't know, so this is the template from Alexander Pierce or admin LTE. This version is the third version. So there is a lot of feature here, like there is dashboard. Inside dashboard there is three versions, like this one first versions, and this is the second one, and this is the third. Okay, and also there is a widget. Okay, there's a lot of widget here. So this is the widget. Okay, so there is a lot you can do with admin LTE from Alexander Pierce. So and you can download it at just search it at Google admin LTE. Can click the first one. Okay, so this is the landing page of admin LTE, and click download, and we will redirect it to the GitHub and choose this one. Okay, so after you click it, it will download here. There is a download button here, and we'll move to the download file. Okay, download file and search that zip. So we download the zip extension. Okay, and we move to the download folder, and we will find the admin LTE will download. So just unzip this, and it will look like this. Yeah, when we look at, okay, there's nothing because I moved it. So it will look like this, and all you need to do is click the folder and move what inside the folder, or move this folder to the exampp and add htdocs. Okay, and paste here. Okay, there's a paste button, but mine is nothing. So just paste here at htdoc, and then you can check it. So inside the admin LTE folder is these files and also folder. Okay, so when we click the admin HTML, nah, it's still same. It's still same like we open with localhost admin LTE, admin PHP, like that. It's same. So there is a lot of feature here. This is level 1, level 2. Okay, this is documentation. Okay, and also how to install and blah 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 blah. There's a lot of thing here, and also there's a table and also forms. So what we need is just this one, general, I think. Okay, this section, like this general element, and just wait, I search for that advanced, or maybe at advanced, I forgot about that. Oh no, general although a general and this one. We will use just only this button and also general element. Okay, so just begin. So make sure before we begin, you have done with all this thing like download admin LTE, and also install it and place it at htdocs inside exam pp. Okay, and after that we have to make a new folder. Maybe we can name it this. Maybe we can name it CRUD admin LTE. Enter. Okay, and open in terminal and type code space dot. You will redirect it to the to VS Code and make a. Okay. Nah, inside here we will choose the only little things because all we need to use is this one. So we will copy this little thing, and what we need to copy to the our new file from admin LTE to the CRUD admin LTE is this uh, little. So the first one is bulk, and the second one docs, and also plugin, and then index. Okay, the first one is this doc, plugin, and index, and also build. Don't forget to copy these 4 folders and 1 file. Okay, Control C and place it and put it inside root admin LT or our new folder. Control V. Wait uh, until it finish. Okay, it's finished, and we can check it with with this one. Can cancel this and also this one, and we can check it with local admin local admin, but change after slash with the folder name CRUD admin LTE. Enter. Will redirect that to the index PHP, index HTML. I'm sorry, because the default is we will in redirect to the index HTML. So we can open this. Nah, we can open at VS Code here. So this is the code. There is a lot of codes here, but all we need is this little. So the first one, before we change anything inside here, change the name, the extension. I'm sorry, change the extension with PHP, not HTML. PHP. Enter. Okay. Then you can check it here. Refresh. It's still same. So we will throw all things except from here. Okay. So just focus it on from and throw all of these things. back to the VS Code, index. Okay, and the first one we will search for forms. Control F and find FORMS. It's just 5. Okay, we can search. Okay, this right. Okay, just this one, but we need all we need is okay this one. So you minimize can minimize this. Okay, so there is all. Okay, you can minimize this. Nah, and after that throw all below that below that from. Until the bottom. Oh, there's a long way, but I have a short way to do this. We can do this. Minimize all the things. Or just this. Just do what I doing. Body. Inside that wrapper. This is wrap anything inside that. Like again. Okay. We want to remove not menu but okay, we will remove this thing, so we just need the dashboard, only dashboard here. So search the dashboard and body. Where is body? This is body. Div admin LTL logo, and then home, contact, and oh, this is the menu. The first one what we need to remove is the navbar. Okay, this is navbar. So back to the VS Code then. Okay, this is the navbar. So we need just minimize this and erase the navbar. Backspace. Okay, and save and look at your 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 local host. Reload. Okay, the navbar is gone. The number is gone. So back again, and then what we need to erase after that is all below dashboard. Okay, below dashboard. But before we remove below dashboard, below this below dashboard, so everything set here. Later we move, not remove, but move this menu to the his own file. So back to the VS Code and this at aside. Okay, each side. Just click it. So when we search for the close tag here, oh, it is long things, right? So just okay. What you need is minimize and copy. Mindset bar container. Okay, copy, control X, cut, I'm sorry, cut, control X, and create new file. So, create new file with name menu.php and place that inside here. And we can make this neat with shift tab. Okay, that's enough. So when you see that, that's a long code here. So inside menu, it's just menu. You can remove all these things, but we need to be careful because some text we want to remove that. So the first one is maybe we can let this profile and also admin LTE logo. I mean this. So just let that two things here. So what we need to remove is all in below these two things except forms. Back to the VS Code. So after that, the also this search from delete sidebar menu dashboard. You can delete. Sorry, not. But if we minimize this, still same. So not this. So uh, maybe this Lee inside Lee. Okay, that's enough. Remove this. So we'll see what happened. Uh, I forgot to put inside index here. Include menu. I'm sorry. So back to the index and put the menu inside wrapper php in the close tag and include menu.php and the semicolon. Save. Check again. Still same. Okay. Back again to the VS Code and to the menu. We focus with menu first and delete the widget and also layout option and so top navigation and fixed sidebar. There's a lot things inside here. Okay, stop at this first. Remove this and let's look what happened. Save. Nah, okay, and then remove again. Close, minimize. I'm sorry, minimize this. And also this, and also this, and also this. Are we tables? Oh, this is from. So the from is, don't remove that. So remove two these things. Okay. Also the notes. If you have a if you have a problem with the if you have a problem with the notes, just remove that and refresh. Okay. So what we need to do is just focus with from. So what inside from, click enter, delete what after from until the will tag close. So just click it. No, just click until where is the close tag? We search here. beside that. So that's a long thing, so just do this and go to the below and click shift and leave above all close tag and leave this. Okay, and click delete. Oh, I'm sorry, backspace. That's enough. Backspace, 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 and open that. Save. Check at the menu and how it works. Okay, that's what. So insert menu is just one thing, forms, and also we will edit this later after we remove this thing. And back to the VS Code. Back again to the index PHP. So like I said, we will remove all things except dashboard. And the first is preloader. We don't need this. Okay, and then dashboard home, don't remove that. New order, what is new order? New order is, I don't know where is that. Oh, this is new order. So just search the parent of this text. This is the quest tag of dashboard and main content. We will remove main content. But before that, we will put inside wait inside dashboard. Yeah. No, but don't remove the parent. Just remove the child section and also div class container float. Let that here, so you can remove the rest like this and also this. Okay, it's that. So remove that things. Container float. Okay, remove. Save. When we look at here, refresh. So there is nothing set here. And put. So don't let it empty. Just put inside that heading text with h3. Welcome to the what we want to do is maybe welcome to the page first. Page we can edit it later. Now welcome to the page. Or we will make this heading with the h1. You can try that. H1. So make it bigger. I hope. So it bigger, right? Welcome to the page. And put inside here. Nah. Okay, welcome to the page. And that's enough. And let the rest. And we move again to the menu. Okay, after that, we will make a for menu here. So remove the drop down. So we don't need the drop down because the option is little, too little. So remove the drop down on the menu, close this tag, and drop down is, I think, this. We can remove this first. Prompts, we don't need that. Okay, right. Okay, remove that, and also this. Yeah, and then Okay, so we will remove the clause text. We will search the clause tag for Paul and Lee. There is nothing inside that. Remove and shift tab. Okay. When we check, nah, that's what I mean. Okay, that's enough for that. And the next step is we'll make that each menu have its own page. When we click at that menu, there is nothing to do because there is nothing to redirect. What is advanced at HTML? There is nothing. So we will make that, or maybe we will change the redirecting page. So the first one, what we will change that is this one. We will make a folder, okay, that will link it inside there. Okay, just make a folder. The first one is read. Okay, I'm sorry. Read. Okay, read. We will make a read, or at Indonesia is lihat data dot php. Okay, back to index. I'm sorry, menu and link with lihat data.php. Lihat data.php. Okay, and change the content with lihat data with the capital. Save. And okay, we will copy inside lihat data from the admin LTE at this XMPP. Open that htdocs and admin LTE, and we will check again at index what we will need inside that, or maybe here also we can check here also. So what we will need is the tables, symbol table. No, data table, not this, or maybe where is that? JavaScript, not UI element. I'm sorry, I'm wrong again. Like I said, that we need is from at the first, not the table. For lihat data. Okay, the data is table, right? Or we can make a from first. At the second one is tambah data. On we can call it create, and we link it to the tambah data.php, and we will make that tambah data.php. Nah, okay, the first one copy from index, all inside index, Control A and Control C, and put inside lihat data, Control V. That's not working. Okay, Control V, save, and also tambah data, Control V, save. That Control save. Nah, when we look at this, refresh, it's still same, because there's nothing different, because we copy from index. So we will change the inside this. I'm sorry, inside. Welcome to the page. Maybe we can remove this container fluid, and also content wrapper, cause it's little make me disgusting. And we also make this neat. Oh no, okay. Tap, maybe it's enough. Okay, that's enough. And okay, remove this one. Footer, don't change anything footer, because that's copyright. And we can, okay, is that what we can do to make this neat? Oh no, we can do this also, and just that. Okay, and also this. Okay, but okay, this is from me, the material. So index PHP, there is home, right? And also at lihat data and tambah data. So change this hashtag with index.php. So when user click this, it means this, it will back to the index PHP. So change this index.php and also insert tambah data index.php index, save data, save. Nah, okay, after we remove this, okay, so put inside this, because this create, so put inside this table. Or guys, I'm sorry, there's hard to find where the right tables that I chosen. So maybe we can do, what we can do is make this page first. I mean tambah data or create. So we make the from first from the general elements. So we go to the file and this open xmbp ht admin lte, and inside admin lte there is a lot of folders and files, right? So choose the page folder, and then search for forms and choose the general, open with VS Code, open. Okay, and then search this general elements, general elements. Okay, control F, general elements. Okay, so there is here the general elements. Oh, I think that's not. So the second one. Nah, this is the general elements. And copy from this until the close tag can close. Search for the close tag here. Where's the close tag? I think it's down there. I think it's here. Okay, that's long, right? Pick up. So where is here? Where that? Where is that? Or we can where? Nah, this we can close. Okay, and copy this general element until general element from element disabled. Okay, copy Control C and put inside tambah data. Where is that? Okay, yeah. And before that, we will make this need until body tab. It's enough. And where is earlier? Where is that? After nah this. If we try this, Control V. Okay, that's not that a lot. Not that much, but that's enough, right? And this is the head. Why Control Z? So we will these things knit again until the bottom. Okay, just click tab. I'm sorry, just click tab and save. We will check it at our page. Refresh. Now that's appear. So the first one we will remove again all the things except this, except text and this enter. Where is text? Okay, so we will keep this and throw all things. Okay, nah, from this until below. Okay, the first one, remove this. Nah, okay, and then remove all the things until below that. Okay, that's enough. Until this maybe. I think until this. If we try, okay, this is the close tag for this, and this is for this, and it's for. We can remove this, and again we will make this all thing neat with the tab. So there is hierarchy here. There is the who is the parent and who is the child. So from here we can see the like this. We don't need this, so we can remove, and that's enough. From div this div also, this is div, and that's enough for us. When we check, nah, so we'll just need this, but what we will need is for things. I think there is, because what we will make is a page for inventory, maybe for shop or anything. So make the first one is ID, and the second one is code for the stuff, and the third for the things items. I'm sorry, for code for items, and the third is name, and the fourth is price, and the last thing, the fifth is stock. Okay, or we will make this first at the local host. PHP admin, make a database first. Okay, wait, there is loading in buffering, total buffering, and make a new database. You can or I will make or I will use the my database at this DB barang. DB barang means database barang. So the name of database is DB barang, and there is one table, just one table, and in the table there is four rows, four columns. The first one ID, nama barang, kode barang, harga, stok. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I mentioned there is 5 input, but the actual is there is 4 input because ID we don't need the input for ID. So the structure is this. You can pause it for a while. I'm sorry, where there is a error here. Okay, there is error. If I start again, I hope it will not stop immediately. Okay, alhamdulillah the some baby is not stop. Okay, we can reload and go to the structure. You can pause this one and make a database and also the table like this one. And after that, move to the VS Code and make for okay, this no, okay, this one. I'll shift down. The first one is for name. The second one name. Second one is code, and this copy this. Okay, and also copy this. Don't forget to copy the note if you not have a problem with this. Control C, Control V. Put a tab here. You can put a space. Okay, Alt Shift down. That's enough. The first one name, second one code, and the third is price. And the last is stock. STOCK. Save. Can see or we can check at the Chrome here. Nah, name, price, code, stock, and last thing is submit. Submit, we put that inside this. Okay, and the submit, what we will take is this add UI element button, this or maybe this. Okay, just this success. Okay, success, right? Just this, and lihat sumber halaman, but there is a lot to check, so we can move to the to this admin LTE, but add UI and buttons. Okay, I'm sorry, not this, but control, not control, Visual Code. Open with Visual Studio Code and search for success. Control F, success, BTN success, XS. Oh, SM I think. Okay, we will use this. Copy, Control C. Back to the tambah data, Control V, and wrap this with new div with class con sm1. Enter and put the close tag after button. Control V, save, back to the Chrome, preload. Okay, there's a button here, but not success. Maybe input or submit. Submit or input. Input. Okay. Type button. Nah, we will make a name, attribute name. Don't forget to put the attribute name. Same like or whatever you want. Same like this name. We just name here. And copy. Control C, Control V, space. Second one is code. Control C, Control V. The third is price. Price. And the last is stock here. Control V. STO, check out, save, and also this name. Maybe we can use this in save. Okay, that's enough for tambah data. And then move to the lihat data. Lihat data, maybe we can copy Control A, Control C, all the things from tambah data and move to the lihat data, Control A, backspace, Control V. Okay, Control save and change. And then remove from. Can minimize and remove the from. Okay, save. General element can change it with data. Data reads data. Okay, and then after that, add here table. Table, we can back again to the file or folder, tables, data. Okay, data. We can check it first. Okay. Okay, just use this. Simple. Or maybe this, or maybe this. I think same like other. Border table, simple table. Okay, simple. Open with Visual Studio Code and search for the first one. Control F. Simple. It's just this one. Simple. You found that. Simple table. No, not this. Control F. This is for navigation. Nah, this. I think this one. Content header, content wrapper. Not that. Simple full with table. Okay, this. Oh no, but table bordered, if any of that. Table bordered. Search again. Table bordered. Just two of them. Or we can search it at data. Maybe there is what we need. Table bordered. If there are any of them. Table bordered snippet. Okay, this is the what we searching for. Okay, example one, card body, tabel. Okay, we will copy from this card header, just from this until tr, just this. Control C, put at lihat data and control V. Remove the first one, save, and don't forget to put a tab. Nah, and then put the close tag for div, because and also table. There is no close tag for table. Tr tbody. The first one is tbody. T tbody, and then table, and then div. Save and put the tab for them, and also inside for this, and also for tr, and also for this. Save, control save, close, check again at here, lihat data. Okay, so we just need one table data and make that looping. Nah, before we do looping, move this and also this. We'll change the first with no or number. I'll shift down, and the second is name, and third is code. I'll shift down, and price, and the last is stock. Save. We check at the PHP, no time code. Okay. and then we will do PHP things like the first one. As you know, we have must to make a new folder for checking connection. So we'll name that connexi.php. php okay, and as you know, first one is host. Localhost, just follow me, and then second is username, root, third is password, nothing, and the last is database name. Our database name is db barang save, or we can check it again, make sure it's foreign case. Okay, db barang, that's true. And db barang, put the close here, and the last is koneksi, just for checking connection, mysql connect, and instead that put for all of these variable host, and then username, and then pass, and the last is database. Okay, and the condition if and the connection is not connected. Okay, so put a died and kesalahan koneksi dot dot mysql connect error. Okay, that's enough. Put close here, semicolon, and then enough. Back to the where tambah data. Okay, that's enough. Oh, here from at tambah data, right? Tambah data from. Okay, put inside here action and put inside here tambah process dot php and method. This is the important thing, host. So these two things is important, so don't forget to put inside from, and make a new file tambah proses php. Okay, so what is inside tambah proses? What we need to do inside tambah proses is just PHP language and also queries, and as always include okay, include koneksi.php, and then the condition if is set. Pause. Pause. What? There I forgot. add here. So okay, back to the tambah data. Insert. So when the insert is clicked, it seems like that. You can assume that the first one we put name of variable, maybe nama barang. So the variable nama barang keep a value from post name. Okay, and the next is kode barang. Kode barang save a value from post code. Nah, set. Next, harga, variable harga, keep a value from post, get a value from post price. And next is stock with Indonesian stock. This is Indonesian. And give a value or get a value from same post STOCK. Save. And this is the query. Variable query. No. Query. Give a query. Insert into barang. Okay. This is name of table. Name table inside database. Barang. And inside barang is nama barang. And also kode barang, and then harga, and also STOCK. I think we can check this at PHP my admin. First one ID, nama barang, harga, stock, STOCK. Okay, that's same. STOCK value values nama barang, koma, kode barang, and then harga. And the last is STOCK. Save. And the second is SQL. So there is save a function mysqle query, and okay, take from connection and also query. Wait, what happened? Oh, we forgot to put semicolon here. And then the condition, if SQL echo sc, no, this is JavaScript. Window dot alert data berhasil ditambahkan. Close. But don't close that first, because there is two things inside here. Second one is window location. Window dot location lihat data. Kita lihat data .php semicolon and then close that. script semicolon save. So it means script this for JavaScript, the sign for JavaScript, and window alert is the function from JavaScript, function default from JavaScript will make a pop-up there, data berhasil ditambahkan, and window location will redirect the page to the lihat data PHP. I mean this lihat data PHP. Okay, so save this. So if SQL is true, and that means query and also connected true, so the echo will appear. But we will make else here. Else echo gagal bahkan data, and echo again ref back to the tambah .php. No. Kembali. Okay. Save. Okay, that's enough. And this else is there is no insert there. Echo. script window location index.php. Okay. script save. Okay, that's enough. Maybe we can try that, and I hope that works. So back to the Chrome here. Reload. Oh no, there is something wrong here. Oh, at tambah data. I'm sorry. Tambah data. Reload. Okay. The first one, name of that name of inventory. what you want to input, maybe what, sapu, and the code is SPU001. The price the 30,000 and stock is just one, and I hope it works. Oh, that's not no response because why tambah data. I'll reset here insert and the tambah process. Kita tambah proses, tambah proses, insert, lihat data. Root admin LTE tambah data. Why that's not happening? I don't know. Maybe there is a typo. Maybe insert, Control C, Control V. I think it's, oh, there's different. Insert. Okay, we check again. Name of the stuff, what you want to input. Sapu, code is SPU001, SPU001, and the price is 30. Stock is just one, and there is nothing happen. Now I will check again. And I found the error, and I think it's here. Not table process, but not tambah process. But the process that's right. PRO. Yes. No, that's right. So method is pause, same like this, and we will change this also. Tambah data, Alt save, tambah data, name is name, second one is code, same like this, name code price stock, name code price stock, insert, tambah proses, insert, if is set. Maybe that's not linked, and I don't know why. Okay, we will try again. Refresh. The first one is sapu, code SPU001. SPU001 price. Okay. Stock just one input. Why it's not working? We back again. I will check again. And I think it's here, not button. The type is not button, but submit. Maybe if we reload that, name the first one sapu, code SPU001, price 30, and stock just one, and reload. What happened? There is error at line 7 at connect C PHP. What is that? DB barang. DB barang, there's nothing DB barang. He thinks nothing, but there's DB barang. I don't know. At connect C line 7. Host username, pass database. Host username, pass database, and we will try again. Satu SPU 001 price 13 and stock is 0. Then there is error. Why there is error? Oh, it stopped again. So I will fix it first. There. Oh, it's running. It's running. So boot. I don't know why. And back again. Oh, it's there one things that added here. But what happened with that process? Back to the tambah data. Lihat data. Oh, lihat data. Cause nothing to see there. No, I don't know why. Tambah data. Save. Okay. Lihat data.php window location. Okay, one thing here, and I hope it work. Save back again. Maybe not sapu but what pel and change pel 003. Price is same and stock is 5. Data berhasil ditambahkan and back to the lihat data, and that's working. And move to the lihat data. Lihat data. I mean read. So we can remove that. And tbody. Okay, here. No, not here, but I think it's here. Not here, but here. After tbody, as always, php, and put also the close. And the first thing what we need to type is include koneksi.php close semicolon and then query. The query is select all from barang order by id descending. Desk mean descending. So the last thing added will appear at the top. SQL. What is that? Okay. SQL. MySQL query. Koneksi and query. Semicolon. And the condition if MySQL rows SQL not same as 0 or empty, so echo there titik call span seek equals fun seek tidak ada data td tr the semicolon but else if there are data else. So what you need to do is the first name a variable with no one semicolon and do looping while what while data MySQL fetch assert SQL. So nah, this is we put a close tag for PHP and open again here. Okay, and move these two things. Okay, nah, decide that. So there, or maybe here. Okay, that's enough. So there, td PHP echo no semicolon and just copy that. Copy this thing. If you can see, I will make this bigger, and I hope that's enough. Okay, that's enough, right? And Alt Shift down 5 times. Alt Shift down, and then that's enough. Echo. Oh no. Data. Inside data, the first one what we want to make that appear is nama barang, not variable. And the next is data again. Nama barang, kode barang. Semicolon. Data harga. And then data hosting, as you can guess, stop. Save. And that's enough, and I hope it's working. So just take a look here. We will take a look here. Nah, it's work. So this is what we want to make. But the increment, okay, we forgot one thing. Put increment here. The increment is this. No plus semicolon. Okay, just that. Not here, but here. Control X. Control B. So it's not disrupted things. Okay, but we reload. Now the increment is working. So that's enough. The first one is tambah data works, and also lihat data works. And the tambah data and the edit data. Validation, we will remove validation. So just 3 things here. Move to the menu. Validation, we don't need validation. We don't need validation. Primary one. Okay. Move that, and then this we will make edit data and we'll redirect that to the edit data.php. We don't make it yet, we'll make it now. Make edit data php. Okay. And as always, same like that, we will copy from tambah data, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, back to the edit data, Ctrl V, Ctrl Shift, loop, refresh, edit data, same, but edit data, oh I'm sorry, no, edit data is same like lihat data, but there is two action here, so we remove that again, Ctrl A, backspace, so back to the lihat data, Ctrl A, no, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, back edit data, Ctrl V, Ctrl Shift, so we don't need to see because it's same, and then we move again, we move to here, at here, td, no, but inside here is two things, and don't forget to put also at the top, we have aksi, save, there is two things, I mean two button with anchor tag, right, we'll type inside here edit data .php with the ID is from this php. Okay, echo get from data, I mean ID, that's saved inside data, and then put again class for Bootstrap because actually admin LTE is using Bootstrap, btn block, and btn warning, so the button is yellow, btn warning, okay, and the size is small, okay, and inside that we put edit. So edit data page is just not for edit, but there is one thing again, and that is what, delete, alt shift down, no, not edit data, but edit, just edit, okay, and the second one is for delete, Control save, not warning but danger, save, okay, and hapus. If we see here edit data, nah, there is two things here, edit and hapus. Maybe we will change that, change the color if we can, and I hope it I hope we can do that. Add table, card title, card warning, not card warning, but success maybe. Says reload. Nah, that's much better data. Okay, if we click, there's nothing because there is not. We don't make that yet. So we make edit dot php. Okay, and inside edit is, so we move to the edit data here. That's what I mean. Yeah, data, we done with that. Tambah data. Okay, wait. Lihat data. Tambah data. Edit data. Okay, edit data. We back to the VS Code. Edit. We copy edit data from tambah data. All of that things. Control A, Control C. Back again to the edit. Control V. Okay, but no, we don't need the placeholders here, so just erase that things. Control D, and just forward, just for only for, and delete and add inside that value, and it's all same with PHP. That okay. PHP echo data. Nah, it depends on input or column, like that. So the first one, oh, we forgot to put something here. Echo PHP is need some connection, and also need query. So where is data come from? Back to the earlier I forgot add tambah data. Okay. No. Tambah data not that tambah process. So it's same like this, I think. No, I'm sorry, that's not. That's wrong. Maybe we can type that by ourselves. Okay, at in below container field. Container field. Where is container field? Here. Okay. PHP. Okay. As always, include koneksi .php. Okay, save, and then id get from URL. So the get function will get id like the function name from the URL that given from edit data, and URL is id. Okay, get id from URL. I'm sorry. And next is query. Select, no, select all from barang where ID is same like ID. And make sure there is no typo here. And I hope there is nothing. SQL. My SQL query connect and also query as always. And then data will fetch array from SQL. Okay, and I hope that's enough value. Okay, and add one thing again, and don't forget to this. Okay, change this with edit process. Edit process. So edit has three things: edit data, edit, and then process. Okay, edit data, edit, and then edit process. We save here first. Edit process. Okay, and then add one thing. Wait. After row here, add input. Why? This is for ID. And make it hidden because we don't need that appear at our screen. So type is hidden and then name is ID. And then value PHP echo data no ID from the ID data is from SQL and SQL is from database like that. So the first one is name. So the value data, so all we need is from database is nama barang. And here echo kode barang, but data, then kode barang, and then echo again data harga echo again and data again and stock sto checkup save semicolon and also semicolon and here also semicolon and here also semicolon save. And I hope that's enough, and maybe we can change the insert, not insert but update. Save, not input but update. Save. The color, maybe we will change that to the blue. I think that's primary. Check, check it here. Reload, edit. Okay. So object, pel, same like what we choose. Sapu 001 and stock 0. We change something different like lemari, lemari. Okay. And then we will make a new folder for this one. Edit process here. Edit process. PHP. Like other like this. It's just inside that is just queries, not nothing HTML inside there. So we will copy this out of this. Control A, Control C, and edit process. Control V, Connect C, not insert but update. And we add one thing again, one thing more here. ID is post ID save semicolon save update set. Maybe we can change all of this. We can delete this. Update set updates no update barang set nama barang same like variable no like variable nama barang and also kode barang and same like variable kode barang. And then kode barang and harga same like variable harga, and then last thing is stock stock same like variable stock variable stock no stok I think no stok right. So we change again stok put where put inside that where id at the database same like id at the variable which is id at the variable is get from post and post is inside here post id like that. That's how it works and I hope it works like I want. And then edit process we change the message diubah or maybe di update. Save, begitu lihat data gagal update data. And back to the edit data. Save. Okay, maybe that's enough. There is nothing error here, and that's okay. Window location di data. Okay. Control save and check again. Reload. What we want to change is maybe the media. We'll change the stock to the 5, maybe 5, and I hope it works. Bismillah. Data recently update. Back to the lihat data and media is 5, so it working. And that's enough. Back to the to here, and the last is delete. So we did create at tambah data and also read at lihat data and then edit or update cru update at edit here, and the last thing is delete at hapus. So just back to the VS Code, add inside here, delete. Oh no, hapus I think. Or we can check here, add edit data. There is, nah, make sure the file name same like this, delete.php. So make delete.php, enter. Inside delete.php is there is nothing HTML, I think it's just PHP and some of JavaScript things. So we start the delete, and we all need is just maybe we can copy this from no from from here, control control C, back to the delete, and then control V. But we change the post to the get because there is no post here. So we use the global attribute get and also this ID, and we remove the rest because we just need ID from this. Wait, okay. No. ID, okay. It's this. We need just this one and then not get ID. So it will get ID that URL give us. And the query is not update, but as you can guess, delete from table is barang where ID same like variable ID at the top, and the variable ID the value is get from ID here. That means what URL give us, we will keep it here, and the identity of that ID is this, and use it at query. And I hope you understand it. And then SQL is same script window order alert data berhasil not diupdate but dihapus. It means the data is deleted like that. And then Windows location back to the lihat data, so the user can see what the data that deleted, what data that he has deleted. And else gagal update data, gagal hapus data. If there anything wrong, so gagal hapus data. And then and maybe that's enough, and I hope that's enough, and there's nothing error here. Control save. Make sure you have saved that all. Okay, back to the Chrome. Reload. Edit data, and I want to erase or delete spell. Data berhasil dihapus. Okay, back. There is no spell, and that's enough. And maybe we can add a confirm message. Maybe like, are you sure to delete this data? So back to the VS Code, and then add, I forgot, add edit data. Okay, add here this line to the here outside class, after class, add on click attribute, and then return, so that will return confirm message. Confirm, maybe like apakah kamu atau anda yakin. Okay, just like that. And back again, reload. Okay, this is create, read, update, delete. I will delete this sapu. Hapus. Why it's not appear? I don't know. Maybe we forgot to save that. No, we not forgot to save that. So we forgot to put last thing here. That's so dumb. Okay, return confirm, return confirm, apakah anda yakin, and then okay, save. Back again. So what I want to delete, maybe the kursi or chair. So the message is appear, or the confirm message is appear. If we click the cancel or batal, there's nothing happen. But if we click OK, data berhasil dihapus. Back to the lihat data, and there is 3 data here, and there is create with admin LTE. And I hope my video here is and I hope my video here can be understand the UL. And I thanks for the attention. I apologize for if there are any bad words or bad pronunciation out of my mouth, and I sorry again of all of this explanation if that not clear to your mind. And the last word, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.